Hi, I'm Miss Laretta, and today we'll be doing a 6th grade lesson plan, a math lesson plan. And we will be discussing the box method of multiplication and the traditional algorithm. Okay. So, to begin. Alright, Rosie, I want to go to a restaurant. When we go to a restaurant, I want to order 5 of everything. How many different ways could I calculate my total?
5.
Alright, how many, well, you already answered 5. What are those different ways?
I don't know.
Okay, well, today we'll be learning about the box method of multiplication, and you already know how to multiply regularly, right?
Yes.
Alright, so, for example, the box method of multiplication. Let's do an example. In the box method of multiplication works by, we're splitting each number into tens and units. So, let's multiply 64 times 96. We put it in a box, and 64 goes into, it is 60 plus 4. 96 is 90 plus 6. So, 60 and 4 go over here. 90 and 6 go on top. Or vice versa, doesn't matter. So the first thing we do is we multiply 60 times 90. See that the numbers 9 and 6, which equal 54. Add your zeros. 5,400. 60 times 6 equals 360. 90 times 4 equals 360. 6 times 4 equals 24. So after we have all our numbers in our squares, we just add all of the numbers. You paused? Oh. We just add all the numbers. 6 plus 6, 12. Plus 2, 14. Carry your 10. 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. Carry your 10, 6. So our answer is 6144. And to check that, we can use the traditional algorithm that we are also learning, that we have learned in school. I hope this is right. 4 times 6, 24, carry your 10. 6 times 6 is 36. Hold your 0. 9 times 4, 36. Carry your 10. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 3 is 57. Let's add 4. 12, carry your 10. 1. I know what's wrong. Dang it, I'm wrong. Okay, I'm wrong. Alrighty, so I messed up. The answers are not the same, but I just saw that I messed up at this number. So, that number actually should be an 8 because I forgot to add my 2. So, it's actually 384 instead of 364. So, that'll change the adding. 0 plus 4, 4, regularly. 6 plus 8 is 4. Carry my 10. And then the rest is 6144. Just like that, 6144. Alrighty, so that's how we do our box method. And, alright, sorry about that mistake, but I found my mistake and the answer is correct. So right now we will begin our activity and finding out what we're going to eat on the menu. This is the little menu I made up. You can't really see it, but it's the little menu I made up. It comprises of a Philly cheesesteak, a T-bone steak, a lemonade that's $2. The Philly cheesesteak is $10, milkshake $7, etc., etc. So, Rosie, the problem that I have for you today is I want 18 T-bone steaks. I don't care if you don't want to know. I
Yes. Okay. 18 is fine.
All right. So,
I'm hungry.
that's good. We're ready to eat. So, let's see. It's your time to do some work with the box method. And then after you do the box method, you can check your work with the traditional algorithm.
It was just like a real carousel, only longer and easier. And instead of pulleys, it had suitcases. Not just any suitcases.
Okay, what's the problem again?
I want 18 T-bone steaks, and a T-bone steak costs $15 each.
It was a mover maze, but not for people. Luggage got to have all the fun. Good news! They think it's clearing up. Late planes are taking off in 15. George? George?
Would the parent or guardian of a little lost monkey please report to the information desk again?
Alright, so that's pretty good. Good job. So what do you do now?
Add the 4 numbers together.
Hope he wasn't in any trouble. Not a bit. No, we've got a plane. Takeoff is in 10 minutes. Finally, Hawaii. If only he used flight plane. Just when George was sure he'd...
Alright now, so Rosie's doing the traditional algorithm
Maybe George could borrow it.
to try to see what the answer is going to be.
270.
Let's find out.
Alright, let's see if you get 270 when you're adding it up right here.
Fancy seeing you here. With the parent dog.
Alright, you got it. 270, 270. That's the right answer. Alrighty, she did a great job on that one. So let's do one more box method. I want 64 chips because I'm very hungry. And the chips are at 27 cents each.
George!
This is the final boarding call for Kona Carriers Flight 5230 to Hawaii.
Have you seen George?
Why are you doing 60 and 4? Sorry, but
Because it's the way you taught me.
Now, do you mean Joe?
that's good. The chips are at 27 cents. So 27 will be what and what?
20 and 7.
Good job. Alright, good job, Rosie.
There you are, you little dickens. I was hoping I'd see you again.
So what do you do first?
On the line,
Let's talk it out.
you have sis on my
I'm going to multiply the 60 and the 20.
And what does that equal?
1,200.
Alright. 60, oh, you can go next. Sorry.
60 times 7 is 420.
Alrighty.
20 times 4 is 80, and 4 times 7 is 28.
Good job. You're really catching on to this. I'm proud of you.
Now I'm going to add the 4 numbers together. So that's 1,200 plus 420 plus 80
You're curious.
plus 28.
Fun has a way of just showing up.
So the answer says that it's 1,728, but you forgot one thing. It was 27 cents, not $27. So,
The decimal.
how many places do you move the decimal? Do you move it to the left or to the right?
Move it to the left.
How many places?
2.
Alright. So what's the new answer?
$17.28.
Alright, good job. Good job. So next we'll be doing, well, the last thing we'll be doing is her assessment. And in this assessment, we're going to just be playing a game called Decimals of the Caribbean. And in this game, the game, okay, sorry. The game, we'll just be adding up different decimal numbers or multiplying or subtracting different decimal numbers, and she'll have to throw the cannonball at whichever answer is correct. Let's see. So you just move this to the right answer. All right. So the game goes so on and so forth. You have to add up, multiply, or subtract the different answers, the different questions, and come up with the right answer. And when we do that, that's how I'm going to assess her. And she just showed that she did a great job. And thank you. And that's the end of our lesson. All right, bye.